Hey guys, today's episode of Garage Boys, a quick tour on how to replace your brake pad for your Acura TSX. First step is take out your lug nuts and race up your vehicle, remove the tire. Wait, before you do that, just come up here and open your hood, go to your brake fluid container and just open this and leave it open. You'll know why later on, just leave it open. We'll put it on after we finish the job. Alright. With the tire off, make sure you take off all the precautions for the vehicle. It's put the tire underneath the car just for safety, make sure it won't roll out or nothing like that. So just play it safe. Okay, now you're gonna come in here and you're gonna remove this bolt. It's a size 12, and this one right here is a size 12. So these two, they're size 12. Okay, so just take those two off. This is the setup that I'm using, the ratchet with the 12-inch socket, with a 12mm socket. I'm sorry. Make sure you put it at an angle where you can use a pipe. Don't screw yourself. Just pipe it, just put it in place and use a pipe. It's kind of like a straw. You kind of have to do a lot of straightening. It's not a good angle. So make sure you use the pipe, put it in there, and just bring it up. Very easy. Now that you remove those two bolts, just come in here, use a flathead or whatever you want, wiggle it out, and just bring this out just like this. There's some wires here, some little wires that we're gonna remove. And these are your brake pads. You're gonna bring them out just like this. Bring this one out. This one you're gonna push it out. I'm gonna put in the new one. Then we're gonna move on to use a special tool that you rent from AutoZone, as I mentioned before. And we're gonna push this in. So go ahead and remove these brake pads. Make sure you keep these little thingies, little clips. And then brake pads, as I mentioned before, you can come in here and kind of wiggle them out just like this. That's one. It's already in bad shape, making noise. And then here's the other one. Oh man, that one's the worst. Okay, when you put them back in, the new ones, notice that this one in the back has this little clip, this little thing sticking out, so it goes like this. Put it in there, and that goes that way. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to use the tool to push this in. This is the tool that you get from places like AutoZone or whatever, where you rent it. Make sure you put this thing in, and it has different adapters. I'm gonna use this one, so you can have a flat surface. And let me show you how it goes installed. But this is the setup that I'm using. This is the tool all set up. As you can see, you place it like this. This is the car part. This is what we're gonna push. So we're gonna turn this. To turn it, I'm gonna have to use both of my hands. One hand is gonna be holding this part, and then the other one I'm gonna be turning this. Don't knock yourself out. Use the pipe, obviously, as I always mention. You know, just pipe it, guys. Come on, just put the pipe in here, turn, and make sure you turn, and you gotta push this all the way in. All right, so it's easy. Do it. All right, pushed it all the way, as you can see. Now it's time to place it in your brake pads. Simple process. Just kind of put in the top part first. Just push them in. That's it. Plain and simple. Rear side has this, as I mentioned before. Come back there. There you go. Also remember to put back the little clips, just like this. All right. And then we're gonna put back this, and that'll be it. Okay, there we go. Now I'm gonna put the bolts in. Now after you put that back on, put on the tire, make sure you secure everything. You tighten this up, you know, use the pipe, lock it tight. Make sure you remember to put back the brake cap on the brake cover. So make sure you put that back on, and then just turn on the car, hit the brake pedal a few times, drive the car a little bit, you know, just move it back and forth, hit the brake pad so that it can adjust, and you're all set. You're good to go. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Try to make this a quick video. It's a quick, easy job. It was really quick. The brake pads are not expensive either. They're like, I think it was 25 bucks. But check the link in the description. You can buy them from there. And thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. Thanks.